In this video, we will learn what the time value of an option is and how to calculate it. Time value in option pricing refers to the intrinsic value based on the expected volatility of the underlying asset's price and the time until the option expires. If the option contract has more time before expiration, it has a higher probability of being in the money. Now, let's find out how to calculate the time value. You can think of time value as the amount an investor is willing to pay for an option above its intrinsic value. Look at this formula. Option time value equals option premium minus intrinsic option value. If you have forgotten what intrinsic value is, you can refresh your memory with our earlier videos. Now, let's learn more about the relationship between time value and options expiration. The amount of time left before an option's contract expires impacts the option's premium. The longer the time until expiry, the greater the probability that the option will become in the money and have intrinsic value. Looking at the chart above, we can see the time value of the option drops in a non-linear fashion the closer to expiry. The option only loses 1/3 of its value in the first half of its lifespan, then 2/3 in the second half. Known as time decay, the time value will be 0 at expiration. The relationship between option premium and market volatility. Volatility in the market represents the fluctuation of price. When the price deviates significantly from the mean over a short period, the asset has high volatility. Conversely, when there is little movement in the price, it has low volatility. External conditions influence the market, causing instability and volatility. For example, volatility can increase dramatically in times of emergency or radical changes, such as wars. If this happens, the premium of an option will increase accordingly. In such conditions, the higher the volatility, the higher the premium. The opposite is also true. In times where volatility is low, the premium will be lower. We can summarize the significant factors influencing the time value of an option. 1. Intrinsic value. 2. Time until expiration. 3. Implied volatility. Congratulations! Now you know what the time value of an option is and how to calculate it. In the following video, we will learn about out-of-the-money options, so stay tuned.